Economic is bad, hair is expensive, salon is another mountain. Girl, I got you covered. I'm going to teach you how to make this simple hairstyle with less money from the comfort of your home. Lower budget hairstyle, in another word. Hi beauties, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, you are highly welcome. If you love more hairstyle videos, please subscribe to my channel, for I upload hairstyle videos that you can do from the comfort of your home with the lower budget. Yes, let's dive in. Today I'm installing my wig and I'm using the clip to do it. No sewing today. Yes, I'm excited about that because sewing it takes a lot of time, but I guess the clip is going to be easier. So I went to the local market and I found this beautiful hair, and it's so nice and so soft. So I grabbed it and I came home. So I divided the hair into section, and I have the frontal part and then the back one. So the frontal one, it's where I'm going to iron to just mix it with the extension to give me natural finish at the end. Yes. So the extension I came home, I first measured the extension from corner of the head and to the other corner and cut it and install my clip. As you see, I sew it at home, guys. It is not brought like that from the market. I sew it from home. So if you are looking for something that is less, you can do it by yourself. Sorry, I did not record when I was sewing the clip, but if you want it, put it in the comment section and let me know. I will definitely drop a video for you to see how you can do it. So my aim is that for you to look beautiful and with the less money. And don't, if you don't want to do it, girl, then this one is not for you. No one can do something for you and you expect to spend less money. Okay? So your hands has to be on it so you can make it less. So I installed all my extension as you have seen, and then went in to comb the hair and start ironing the extension. Yes, I can agree with you. It has taken me a long time to do this, but you know, it is worth it. It is worth it. It's worth the time and the effort because I am gonna slay for some quiet time after this. So I am not regretting at all. But the heat is disturbing me here a lot. You can see that smoke that is coming out. It's just like, okay, okay. And I am like, okay, I got it, I got it, I got it. But all in all, I am done with the ironing the extension. I went in to untie the front section. Remember at the beginning, we left some part in front. So this is the time for this part. I know, guys, you may be like, why the hair is looking like that? I know, I understand. I just can't afford to shave my hair. Oh, I need to have my natural hair back, and you can see there is a lot of growth there, but I cannot afford to shave it. So I'm like, let me deal with it like that until the whole natural growth come back. So yes, forgive me for that, but I think I'm okay. As long as there is wigs, there is extension, I can overcome this. Yes, so I went in, I ironed everything as you see, and just trying to clear the path. And after that, I went in with my wax. Yes, I had the wax, and I like the smell of the wax. It smells so good. I don't know, is it only me or everyone? But I would love to see in the comment section if there are people who love the smell of that. But the most hardest part in this process is this hot comb. My God. The comb is really hot. They call it hot comb indeed. The heat that is coming from distance, you can feel it in your skin. My God, it's so super hot. But thankfully, it is done. As you see, the hair is well laid, and yeah, and this is the final touch just to give it a shine and a smooth look. Look at the hair. I was talking about the color of the hair, but look, it is just flowing together. It's like my natural hair. And see that I spend less money on this hair, like maybe $10. And yeah, see, the whole thing is just flowing. From your home, you can slay. And if I step out with this, that will be like you are coming from salon, girl. But this is from my home, $10, and I am this pretty. So you can do it, and it's easy. In case of anything you need to learn, please put it in the comment section, and I will respond to you. And with that, the hairstyle is done, guys. Let me know from 1 to 10 how you feel about the hair. And bye for now.